Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be showing off the new reformat for our weekly kits, and I'm super excited to show you guys. Just gonna be a super quick video, just kind of showing you the new layout and all kits moving forward from the past new release will have this new format. So I'm super excited. So the first one is our standard vertical sized boxes, which would be like close to the Erin Condren size, or would be the Erin Condren size boxes. So I'm going to show you that now. This is our ultimate kit. So we have our 9 full boxes just like normal, but the only difference is now on the top bar we have the Kiss Cut headers at the top. They're not header size, they're just more like washi strips. So we have that, and then we have our quarter box and half box sheet. This is exactly the same as previous. The only difference is that we now have a white stroke around the weightish part. Page 3 is our bottom washi, a bill due, 2 habit trackers. We added a currently reading sticker, the weekly sidebar, and then your date covers. And then our page 4 is our functional sheet. We have our skinny heart checklists, some deco, some flags, a ton of icons and scripts, your weekend banner, movie marquee, and then our arrows. Page 5 is our to-do headers. So we got our headers, our sidebar headers, and then these are the same size as little things. They just don't have the icon anymore. So we have this whiteout section on the front, and then that's our new little thing. And then we have this page 6, which is our big, like our really changed up sheet. So we have 3 different washi strips here. They are a bit thicker than header size, but you now have 3 pattern ones instead of 2 pattern and a solid. You get these half boxes that are squared off, these labels, some more here with patterned, and then these boxes are quarter boxes that are squared off as well. You get 3 heart checklists and then a bunch of squared off boxes. So that is our ultimate kit. We actually have 2 options for our ultimate kit. So this would be the ultimate kit, or you could switch out page 5 for this sheet. The only difference is instead of the today, to do, and odds and ends headers, you have glitter headers. So this is called our ultimate glitter kit. And then if you wanted the tiny kit, then it's just our first 4 pages. So our other tiny kit was 4 pages as well, but this one you actually do get quite a bit more. You get a couple more icons and some scripts and that kind of stuff. So a little bit more in our tiny kits as opposed to our previous format. And our ultimate kits are now only 6 pages instead of 7. The prices do reflect the changes, so they are a little bit better priced now as well. So because we took out the full box ombre heart checklist, that will still be an option to pick up separately in the shop, as same as the full boxes only, as well as the glitter headers. So if you wanted the tiny kit and you still want glitter headers, you can pick this up separately as well. Okay, so in our shop, we offered 2 different planner sizes for each format. So that was the standard vertical, and we also have the standard tall, which would be your classic happy planner sized kit. So same exact format, which is really exciting because we used to have a smaller page for the bottom washi, and now everything is exactly the same size. So we have our first page is our full boxes, and then the same quarter box and half box sheet. This is a big change up. We used to have just the bottom washi, and then it was like basically like super small. We added another set of patterned head or washi strips, some more labels here, and then you do get another bill due with the standard tall size just because we had a little bit more room. This is the exact same sheet as the standard vertical, and then with page 5 as well, you get the 2 different options. You can do the ultimate glitter or just the ultimate kit. And then page 6 is the same as well, with the squared off hat boxes, the labels, and the 3 heart checklist, as well as the square boxes. So So I hope you guys enjoy this new format. I'm super excited for it. I hope it kind of like adds a little bit more interesting boxes to your guys' spreads. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!